out. Okay, now hold, when you're pulling it out, yeah. So wipe it off. Do you see the line there? This is full, this is too empty. In the middle is good, yeah? I'll wipe it off good. Okay, put it back in. And then we're gonna pull it right back out. Okay, just pull it, pull it. Okay, keep it pointed down. Let's look.
It's full.
Yeah, we're above, huh? So the oil just gets distributed throughout the engine. As the engine's running, it's heating up, so it expands and gets bigger, right?
Yeah.
If you have too much oil, then that pressure of all that liquid can break something. So you can't have too much oil. Then if you have too little, then it runs dry, and you could seize an engine where a metal part gets so hot it melts onto the other metal part. So the oil keeps it lubricated. 4.5 quarts will fit in that, actually. Draven, go into the workshop and grab the funnel. It's up kind of high.
Okay. Any minute now.
Go faster.
Oh, it's getting harder.
Oh, there we go. How's it going?
Tiring.
This bracket and this one. And then there's one back here. Yeah. This is our air filter. So we'll check that too. Yeah. Letting it drain a bit. Make sure the O-ring didn't stay up in there. No, it's on. Put it on the O-ring on that thing. Yeah. Thank you.
Oh,
There
wow.
we go.
Nice.
The old one.
Ooh.
All the way. Push it in. Okay. Put this together and put the funnel in that. Crinkle that together. Yeah. Screw it on good. Okay. Yeah. This shows you where we're at. You see the level right there? Maybe about here, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you hold it, Draven. Yeah, careful. You gotta wait for it to catch up. Check the level. On the bottom. Yeah, hey, this is Auto Shop. Yeah, we're trying our new.
Cool. So it just pumps it out?
Yeah.
You wanna try?
Instead of it.
Instead of doing it from below.
Right. So far, seems alright.
It's like right there.
Yeah. So we're topping off the brake fluid a little bit. Okay, check on the side. Oh yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Look, these are your RPMs, right? Keep it like at 20 or 2.5. Yeah, that's good. We'll heat it up. See this? Right when it gets right in the middle, we're at full heat, okay? Sounds good.